I got two turtles today. The first one came in this box, which I opened up earlier today when I got it, and then I have this other box, this other turtle. The larger box contained a turtle I got from MorphewsMorphs. Let's see. The turtle is a regular albino female, or temp sex female anyways. Let's see. Looks like she's sleeping. There's her back. On her side. That's her. Good looking female. Perfect scoots. The other turtle is over here. This is Snow that I got from Morphs. A little bit dirty. Get that camera. The Snow. Temp sex female also. Perfect scoot. So I'll be putting them both in the water for the first time. Put the Snow in first, I got from Morphs. There you go. There it is. So I hope she gets moving. They're both a little bit jet lagged. They were both moving a lot earlier though. I'll put in the regular albino. Oh, there goes the Snow. The Snow moving around. Kind of behind them are my other turtles. This normal turtle, redder slider, that's het albino. Here's a caramel, female, although it might be male. Going up to the tank where the two neutrals will go once I know they're healthy and okay. I'll go in here with three other smaller of my turtles. Another caramel, which would be male, and then two more up on the top. The one on the left is a albino, and the one on the right is another normal albino female. And both those two are female, or should be female anyways. So go back to the new ones. That's them.